What we're going to do in this tutorial is basically work with preferences because our menu had the preferences option, so we're going to work with that. And basically the beauty of preferences is it will save the data even if you exit the application. So actually what I'm going to do real quickly is go into our menu and add just one more item, and this will just exit our program. So we're going to just say exit here real quickly, and ID is exit, so we can refer to that later. But let's get into it. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder called XML, and this is going to hold where we're going to put our preferences. So again, new folder, all lowercase XML. Make sure it's within your resource folder right here. Hit finish, and then just right click, hit new Android XML file, just like always, and we're going to call this prefs.xml, and we have to choose which kind of resource we'd like this to be, and so we're going to select preference right here. And again, the reason why we select this is it's going to have a lot of defined stuff for us. It's going to save our preferences and upload them anytime we access them for the most part. So that's really good. Good stuff. So then we're going to go into the XML section of our preferences and set up, or see what we can set up, and then set up some stuff. So greater than sign, and we have a few choices here. So let's say edit text preference, checkbox preference, and list preference. Those are basically the standard preferences that you're going to use. So we're going to set this edit text preference up. We're going to say Android, and just like when we set up an item, it's going to refer to a title for the most part. So we're going to say title, and we're going to say edit text, or whatever you guys want to title it as. And then we're also going to say a key. Again, this is the way that the computer or Android saves it to the most part, and we're going to just say name is the key reference, and Android, we can also do like summary. Let's do enter your name. And there we go. I mean, for the most part, we are done with this preference. Let's set up a new one. So let's go still within our preference overall thing, and then set up a checkbox. It's checkbox preference, and we're going to say again Android title checkbox, and Android, and we can set this checkbox if we want it to be checked when it starts or unchecked. So we're going to say default value, which is what it's going to start as, and we can either set this to true or false. So we're going to say true, and also we're going to add a key reference. So again, it can save it, and we're going to call this key reference checkbox. This isn't really gonna do much, but we're just setting it up for the most part. And again, Android summary equals check this box for the most part. Nothing spectacular. And then we're just going to finish it by / less than sign, and let's do one last one here. So we're going to say list preference Android title list, set up a key reference. We're going to also call that list as well. Then we're going to set up a summary. This is a list to choose from. And then we're also going to set up something else called Android entries. And these will be the entries within the list. And we're going to say equals new array for the most part, or array of reference that we're going to refer to here. So we're going to say array / list, and Android also That's good. That's good for now. So we're going to finish that off and then check it out. As you can see, we have this preference screen right here, and we have edit text, checkbox, and a list view. So that's basically going to be the end of this tutorial. Pretty short, and then we're going to set up our list array in the next tutorial. It's not going to be as confusing as the last time we set up a list array. This is going to be a little bit different, a little bit easier. So stay tuned, guys. I'll have a good one.